wish that you all are doing good. So in previous video we have covered the problem number 1 and 2. Now we are going to the 3 and 4. So the problem number 3 is the input 3 numbers and display the largest and the smallest one. So it's a typical if else case. So let's start with Visual Studio. So like first num1 is going to be integer and we are going to take it from user. This is first number, same thing, we want to repeat it, this second number, and here number 2. Now we also want the third number to be here, third, and this is the number 3. So it's a typical case of if else. If the if condition is first for the num1 is greater than num2, and this double sign is for AND, so this is the AND condition, and num1 is also greater than num3. In that case just print largest number is, although this is not the optimized solution, but right now it's good to go. And here, sorry for I did this, print largest number is, and this is num1. Same thing, we need to repeat it for other things. Here is, I guess, some problem. What the problem is? Number 3. Yeah, here it is. So and we want to cover it like this for others. So if in case we want to check it for num2, in that case num2 should be greater than from num1 and num3 both, right? Similarly, if we want to check it for num3, then num3 should be greater than num1 and num2 both. So in that case it should be num3. Similarly, we want to check for the smallest. So if num1 is lesser than num2 and num1 is lesser than num3, in that case the smallest number is num1. Now just copy it and paste it twice. So here it is, num2 should be greater than num1 and num2 should be lesser than num1 and num3 both, and in this case num3 should be lesser than num2 and num1 both. So here, hope you are getting it. It's quite simple stuff. So we just check the conditions in the if block. So it's going to return true or false, and it's if both are true, in that case num1 is largest, and here if both are true, in that case num1 is smallest, and same condition for the all this stuff. So now just check it how this program is running. Let me clear it. Python 3 and this problem 3. So the first number, let's say 3, second number let's say 6, and the third number is let's say 1. So the largest number is 6 and the smallest number is 1. So this is how this works. And now move to the another problem. So another problem is given two integers x and n, compute x to the power n. So in this case we need to take input two integers. The first is x and another is n, and then need to compute this. So it's quite simple problem. So come here, it's the problem 4.py. I am posting this whole code on the GitHub, so you can check it from there. I will leave the my GitHub in the description part, so you can take that from here. So it's integer input, give the value of x. Here it is. And now you want the n, to give the value of n. So till now we have we have taken the value of x and value of n from the user, and now we just want to print the desired value. So the desired value is what? We want n raised to the power of x. So here it is a simple thing, and it should work as per our expectation. So now just run Python 3, and this is problem 4, and I want this, so it's 8. So it's working perfectly. So till now we have covered the problem number 3 and problem number 4. In next video we will cover the more problems. Thanks a lot.